keliap kelama yung ka Saipung Circle UDP. Ini upor na po President makumulian na dami usang puya dami yawan ini tuan. Hindi ang pusang puya na kumulian na kausalan UDP Saipung Circle so ayong kay no ani kay maniru na nuat so flag hi isepta kaniliti entir na kinin lang nani.
Kapag siya bahaye, tinigasi, kamadak, lihat tiga alamat, yung Sutuna Saipung Circle. Sorry. UDP Saipung Circle tau lihat tiga alamat kata, dan ibu Romi kini lengut sesisen yo wan gisaga ojo ikliap ga UDP lama tadi chokti.
Today I am so glad that by God's grace we are all together under Saipung 5 Sutinga Saipung constituency. Through NPP we all gather here, and I am also, as you know that as our chairman, our honorable president has announced that we are from Congress party. So today we will be together to fight for the people and fight for the rights for the people. And for today, as I want to highlight that, because from the Congress party today, kamba that on who masuk siam ki the man meeting ki naitai tang I there might be some little slight information that from the Congress side ongbay mem yo ketika cintit to wan ila na Congress yo for ongbay ye point sini waro ki wakwak sia hari NPP.
Sutuna Saipung constituency. Dan bidang kurang piwara warnang nasi dan hanya pengawin salah so pera wakian gahon dekat dari ikti jauh sekretari yang ka Sutuna Saipung blok so ha yang dalam yang tempat ketika program.